So I'm late, all right? I know. However, I'm super excited. There was a lot of technical difficulties, so let's not even discuss that. Let's pretend it's 5 o'clock, okay? Now, before I get into this and even pick my winner, you guys, literally every single last one of you, had me in tears for about a good 3 hours, okay? And I know you probably are like, wow, she looks like she never cries. Oh, I cried so much. It was ridiculous. Oh, I was in the car and everything. I was just sobbing at the red light, you know? I just want to read like 2 or 3 of these for you guys because you guys made this so hard. You guys are so freaking cute, okay? You guys are adorable, and to me, you guys are all queens, and I just love you guys so much, and you guys made it so hard, and you guys are so awesome. I did not think I was gonna get the response that I got, but I was like, bring him in, bring him in, bring him in. We're all so good, and so positive, and so true, and so amazing, and so adorable, and so just right. You all are so, you guys made it so hard. What a sneeze. Is it gonna go? No? Okay. And I won't say any of the names. If they want to say who they are, then they will right down below because I don't know what people are comfortable with. Oh well. It says, I am a queen. I support a lot of people and love them too. I show sympathy for the people that need it and attention as well. I never think of myself first. I would give my legs to my family and friends if they needed it. I love my ohana and my family, pets, and enjoy watching YouTube in my spare time. LOL. Thank you for dedicating your spare time to make a fellow YouTube watchers like me have someone to look up to. So cute. So cute. And then there was another one. It says, oof, I try to be the best person I could be. I feel like I'm an all-around fabulous person. Well, I think I am. I don't always feel like a queen, but when I do, I'm a beast. And then in parentheses, it says, I get in beast mode. Cringy, I know. Not even close beast mode. There's nothing cringy about beast mode. Girl. Anywho, love you and the content you put out. Thank you, I love you. And if you put out content, I'm sure I'd love it. And then, oh, there was another one that was mad deep. It said, just started subscribing to you after seeing an ad for your channel and immediately felt like I can relate to you as a person while watching your videos. That's the #1 goal I wanted. I wanted to be relatable, like actually relatable. Not like, oh, she has brown hair and so do I, we're the same. No, I wanted to be like somebody you think you know from school. Like I think I know Cardi B because I feel like I grew up with 10,000 Cardi B's here in New York. It's kind of like that. She's relatable. I feel like I know her. I probably have seen her. Good Lord. And it says, I would consider myself as a building to be a queen. Oh, ratchet. Building to be a queen and project myself like a queen. Not a queen yet, in parentheses. I say this because I am only 18 years old. And so far, I can say I think of myself as smart, confident, relatable, and a chill female. Being young, I have yet more to build in my own character. And those are some qualities I consider that is to be becoming a queen. So for now, I can say, I can read. So for now, you can say I'm a princess looking forward to a higher throne while building more character and being more successful. You are the absolute cutest, and just by saying something like that automatically bumps you up to queen status because not everybody will say that. People will think they're a queen for zero rhyme or reason. And you know what? All power to them. You give reasons behind why you think you're not. Which, to me, takes a certain level of intelligence. However, you're all around adorable. And by saying everything, I can totally understand. And I wish I had your logic when I was your age. Because when I was 18, I don't know what I thought. I was like, I don't know what I am. What? Not even close to anything you said here. Not even close. So I definitely give you kudos for that. That was awesome. So I'm trying to think how I should do this. Okay, so I have this, and like I have all you guys' names because I really did not know. As I was really sitting there, really trying to think and debate on like the logic that you guys used and like the reasoning. You guys have so many reasons, and you guys, a lot of you said that you find me relatable, which is my #1 goal, which made me cry even more. It was just real bad. I was like looking at the guy in the passenger with the like they find me relatable and they're like, who are you? So without any further ado, I'm just gonna pull out, actually, you know what? No, I'm not gonna pull out a name. I'm gonna have my fiance pull out a name because I can't even do this. I just have to have him pull out a name. So it's just like, whoever name he pulls out, you girl, you are it. But before I pull out anybody's name, just know every single answer was unbelievably amazing and I just find it so beautiful when a girl can sit and just say good things about herself, because I know today in the world we live in, it can be very hard, especially on social media. You're on YouTube right now. The person you're gonna watch before, maybe even after me, may not make you feel like a queen. Looking at her, you're probably like, that's what a queen looks like. But no, they can be what a queen looks like. She could be a queen, but there's no reason why, you know, you aren't, because there's reasons. If you can give me any single woman, any chica, and I can tell you what will make her queen. All I have to do is sit and talk to her for a little bit, and I'll be like, you know why you're a queen? Because your baby hair's a laid. You know why you're a queen? Because you're 5'3". But you know why you a queen? Because you got curly hair. You know why you a queen? Because you got straight hair. You know why you a queen? Because you mixed. You know why you're a queen? Because you're not mixed. I can give you a reason for everything of why you're a queen. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go grab my handsome fiance. He's gonna pull one out. Babe! Alright, so again, I couldn't.
Hey guys.
Okay.
Hey queens. Oh, I'm also. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So again, like I was saying before, I couldn't really pick anybody. It was ultra tough, and I just wanted to give everybody everything. So I couldn't do this. Even now, I'm like, I can't do this because I'll accidentally be like, look, and pull out 9.
There's a lot of good comments.
There's a lot of good comments.
Sheesh.
So
what do you need to do?
You're gonna stick your big tail hand in this little tail plastic.
Oh, and their names are on it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, I'm going to now attempt to.
So you pull out whichever one that you pull and read it out.
Okay. So obviously don't look.
You can. I mean, it's hard to just grab one, right? You can pull that. That was beautiful. What a good grab. Oh Lord.
Ariana?
Oh, it's not gonna focus. It's not gonna focus. Why would it? Girl. Okay, so let's read Ariana's comment.
Congratulations.
I don't know if I think I just did I? Okay, Ariana. Oh, girl. Okay, hold on. I have to read this. Hold on. Since you're the winner, I had to. I read like what, 3 before? So here we go. It says, I am a queen because I am strong and independent. I also don't let people break down my walls because of my appearance. But I still put people in front of me because that is my persona. And queens are always queens. So yeah, that's why I think I'm a queen. By the way, I love your channel. You are absolutely amazing and I can relate to you on a spiritual level.
You better go ahead, girl.
Right? So I love you for that. We stand a queen. You are adorable. Felicidades.
Felicidades.
Look at that.
Congratulations.
Girl, you won. Alright, so congratulations to Ariana. Sis, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Okay, so again, this was super hard. So with that being said, literally, let me just tell you how hard it was, okay? I'm getting real close, so if you're watching this on your TV, I'm sorry. This was so hard that literally, I was like, babe, because me and him are like partners. We were doing this whole thing together, like, so I was like, babe, there has to be something we can do, but since there's only one winner, like, I want there to be like something, you know, because I've participated in these giveaway things and I'm like, ugh, I never win, this and that. I wish there was something they do after. So with that being said, starting today, once you watch this video, if you did not win and you were looking forward to getting a shirt, there's a loophole. I, on my website, have a deal for you. If you guys pick one of my shirts and, again, fling it into your cart before you check out, I have an awesome little sexy promo code for you guys. It is QUEEN. Q-U-E-E-N, Queen. Q-U-E-E-N, Queen. Okay, because you know what? Sometimes for me, like, if I don't win these giveaways, I'm like, shoot, I guess I'm never getting it. So, again, I created the promo code just for you guys. For those of you who still want a t-shirt, girl, I got you. And guess how much you get off of that? You get 30% off. You get 30% off if you type in Queen for your promo code, okay? A little coupon code. I got you. Again, I got you guys. And I want to do this more often. These giveaways are super fun and super hard and super stressful because I'm like, who am I going to pick? So that's just something I can do on my part because I do love every single last one of you. And you guys are amazing. And those comments, again, had me in tears. So I wanted to do something. Just something. Yes, I gave away one t-shirt, but I want to do something for those of you who did not win. And thank you guys so much for your support, every single last one of you. I'm glad I can be relatable to you guys and just you guys can feel like you know me, which is just like goals for me. But yes, again, congratulations to Queen Ariana, girl, Queen. I should put your name right under the crown. You can't even see that. That just looked really large just now. But I love you guys, and until next time, mwah, bye.